This little video will show how to download data from an RTU and import to an A850. The current version of this A850 is firmware version 3.0.x. The functionality in any other earlier is more or less the same, just the graphical user interface and the functions are a little bit different. The really important part is to download the data from the RTU. First of all, we establish a serial communication. That means the ID of our RTU is 50123. We enable the log functionality and activate a text file to be created based on our output. So now the log is active. Now we use the command to download the data. We determine a start time and enter the time in UTC. If we would now not define an end time, it will automatically download the data starting with this date and time. In my example, I determine also an end time. So we are downloading 1 hour of data. That might take a while, a few minutes, depending on how many data is stored in the RTU. Depending if you're downloading a couple of weeks or even months from an A850, for example, then you probably need a few minutes more, up to 1 hour, to download the complete data from the RTU. So we are now waiting for the prompt of the RTU to show us it's ready. So now it's ready, no more data downloaded. We are now going to stop the log file. We close the log file. So we pass to the log location. We open the file. I recommend to use Terratem. We remove the leading lines and starting with the Xdata line, we save the file. So now the file is ready for uploading. So that's how the data looks like. So we're now opening the configuration. We choose the RTU, make sure the ID is correct. We deactivate the activity checkbox, the active checkbox. We make sure it's offline so it can import the data. We right mouse click, we choose import the data. We now browsing to the location where we stored the data. Sorry, here we are. We choose the file, we upload the file, and that's it. And if we now right mouse click on view the data, for example, we can see the data is starting from a certain date and time. And stopping with a certain date and time. So that's it. Thank you for watching.